Alright, we got a package, so let's see what it is. We got a thank you card here. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's the Whitebird backpack clip. Okay, so... there you go. It's the Whitebird backpack clip. Wow. I can't believe I got the Whitebird backpack clip. I've been wanting this for so long. And... I wonder what kind of import this is. I don't think this is from the US or something. Yeah, But anyways, here's the Whitebird backpack clip. Now I officially own the 5 Angry Birds in backpack clip form. And just put in the minion pig as well as make it 6 characters. The Whitebird backpack clip is actually rare. There's barely any listings for it on eBay. I originally found it for like an expensive price, for like 70 and 60, and I was like, no, I don't want to pay for that. And then I found a listing for it for $26, and you know what? Yeah, I'll buy it for that much. And here we go, I have it now. I think the listing is still up at the time I'm recording this. So yeah, if you want to get a Whitebird backpack clip, make sure to go on eBay now and get it for yourself, because I don't think that listing's gonna stay on for too long. So yeah, I'm hoping to collect more Angry Birds backpack clips. But for now, see you in the next video.